Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, LaJoyce. Today I'll be showing you how I get these glow-in-the-dark DIY dip nails I did a few months back. First, I'm going to start off by filing the actual nail bed to remove the shine and any old product. I previously did my other hand, so right now I'm just showing you on my right hand. Pushing my cuticles back with the cuticle pusher. Now I'm cleaning under the nail as well to get any dirt or anything that I didn't get when I washed my hands. Now I'm filing the free edge of the nail, taking the cuticle pusher on the other side with the cuticle scraper off and scraping off all the dead skin. And I'm just going to continue that throughout all my cuticles and use the end part as well to clean under the nails. Take a little brush, get off all the dust. Now I'm going to take some Kiss nail glue and glue my nail tips on to each finger where they match the other hand. And I'm just going to do that to every single nail. You just want to place the nail on there, make sure the glue is dried. And now I'm taking my nail cutters and evening out the length so they match both hands. And double check. Now I'm taking the nail file and getting the shape that I want. The nail file wasn't working for me, so I grabbed some trusty dusty scissors and cut them into the coffin ballerina shape that my other hand has. Now I'm taking my nail file and just evening out the free edge sides, making sure no scraggly pieces are left behind. I use about 3 to 4 different nail files you'll see out throughout the video, just to get them nice, clean, nice shape, even though I'm gonna shape them back up after I get the product on. But I like to go ahead and take the nail file just to make sure that I'm working with already the shape that I have, where I don't have to do too much filing in the end. Once you're all done filing, you just gotta clean up, make sure you see anything that's not to your liking. Go ahead and just file it. Make sure you get it to exactly where you want it. Once you're done filing, take the brush, clean up the dust, make sure your nails are even. And right here, this is the base coat that I'm going to be using so that the powder sticks to my nails. I'm taking the nail file once again and just filing down some of the nail glue and roughing up the edges a bit. And now I'm going to apply the top of the base coat to the top of my nail. And then I'm going to cure that in my LED UV lamp for 60 seconds. Patiently waiting. Just look at me. Just patiently waiting. And then now, since that's cured, I'm going to take another coat of the base coat and apply it to the top of my nails as well. And this is going to be my tacky layer where the powder sticks to it. And once you have the base coat applied for your sticky layer, you're just going to take your dip powder and I sprinkle it over my nails instead of dipping it in there, but whichever you prefer. I'm just, as you see, just sprinkling nice on top, dusting it off, hitting my finger on the side of the cup, and I'm just going to sprinkle all throughout the same nails. And just dust it off, put it in the lamp for about 30 seconds just to get it to adhere, just like using an activator with the dip powder stuff. Then I'm going to take another coat of the base gel and apply that. First, I'm going to brush off any excess powder that got on there. And just going over the spots that I need to clean up. You make sure that it does not touch your skin, because it's going to be horrible to try to get it off. And once you have your hands base coated, go ahead and let it cure for about 60 seconds of your lamp. And then you're ready to do another coat of the dip powder once again. And you're just going to dust it off, the excess right here. I'm going ahead and cleaning up some of the pieces that get on my skin because I don't want to do that in the end. And it saves from product lifting, extra filing, stuff like that. So you just want to prevent a few steps before you get to the very, very end. And I'm going to take some more of the base coat right here just to get the sticky layer on it. I'm going to put that over my nails, just where I have the sticky, tacky layer on top, where the next product that I use adheres perfectly. I'm going to be using some glow-in-the-dark blue powder I got from Amazon. And I'm just going to brush that on top of my nails. That's what's going to give them the glowy color. And I'm just dipping it on there first. And basically how I poured the white dip powder, I'm going to pour the blue glow-in-the-dark powder on top and just brush it in just to better get in some of the places that I have. And I'm just going to apply the glow-in-the-dark powder all over my nails. It's already white, so it won't show the blue hue. It only turns blue after it's been in the LED lamp or directly to sun or any type of light exposure. Now I'm going to let that cure for 30 seconds just to show you a little glow and to help the powder adhere to the nail better. And I'm going to take my nail brush and brush some of the product off that got around the cuticle area, on your sidewalls, places that you really don't want it. Next, we're going to take the nail file and clean up the shape a little bit, get some of the extra product off that shouldn't be there. Make sure my nails look nice and crisp. And you're just going to follow that throughout all the nails where you have a nice uniform look. And after you have everything shaped, filed, and getting ready to clean it up, I'm just going to take some top coat polish to give it that nice shine. And I'm just going to brush that on there using my brush I got from Hobby Lobby. And I'm just going to do that once again all over every single nail that I have. And I'm going to let the top coat cure for about 60 seconds. This was a DIY video I did about 8 months ago, right after nail school, and I wanted some white nails, but I didn't have any white polish, but I had powder, so you gotta make it work sometimes. And now I'm just adding some more top coat to the other hand that was already done, and just where they have the equal shine on both nails. And this is the second layer of top coat being applied to the hand that we just completed. And give it that nice uniform look. And now I'm going to cure them for 60 seconds. And once the 60 seconds is done, check out that glow. Yes, yes. Always, let's see, they're just plain white, but they glow in the dark at the end. Thank you all for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, give me pointers, help me out. I'm a new nail tech. Thank you.